Hi, I'm Martin Richards for Imperial Productions. We're here in the warehouse today because we've just received a wonderful custom-made Ram's Head Pediment for a client. We received the photographs from the client, did the CAD drawings, and then created the elements all together as one Ram's Head Pediment. There are recessed panels. There are two corbels, which will kind of act like consoles because the pilasters will be attached to the bottom. At the end of the ram's head, there is a custom rosette, and the finial actually has a top flame on it as well. This product is being made out of ArchPolymer. It's rot, water, and insect resistant. The existing pediment is made out of wood. It'll be ripped off, and this will go up in probably about a half an hour. Imperial is your major source for doing custom pediments.